Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. This is year 5 Excel Unit 18 Mathematics test. I'll discuss the questions one by one. So, ready? Let's do it. Question 1, 2, 3, they are just simple addition, subtraction, and division questions. So, 9 plus 0 is 9, then you have to add 0 to all the numbers. Adding 0 doesn't change anything. Then 9 take away 7 is 2, like that. Okay, question 1, 2, and then 18 divide 2 is 9, 14 divide 2 is 7. So 1, 2, 3 are just like that. I'll move on to question. Let's move on to question 4. Write one numeral for this expanded form, which is 20,000 plus 6,000 plus 500, 20 and 7. So 20,000 plus 6,000 is 26,000. Then 5 in hundreds place, 2 tens, 7 ones. Done. Complete the pattern. In question 5, we are doubling the numbers. As you can see, 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 2, 20. Times 2, okay? So doubling. 20 times 2 is 40. Double of 40 is 80. Double of 80 is 160. Finish. In question 6, order these from greatest to least. That means biggest number will come first. I can see all the denominators are 100, so it's just 83 hundreds, then 82 hundreds, then 80 hundreds. All good. For question 7, bottles of drinks are on sale. Okay, there's a sale going on. Let me just clean the top part. Okay, yeah, we are good. Bottles of drink are on sale at 2 for $2.15. What will a dozen cost? A dozen means 12 of the bottles. So if I'm getting two bottles for $2.15, I want times 6 bottles, that means 12 bottles, which is 1 dozen. So I should times 6 the money as well. Just multiply 2.15 by 6, you'll get your answer. Okay, good. In question 8, 0.63 is a decimal number, and the fraction form for this is 63 hundredths, 63 out of 100, and it is also called 63%. Okay, 0.63 is 63 out of 100, and it's also 63%. All good. Question 9. You need to give an approximate answer to this. So it's better if we round these numbers. 71 times 9. 71 is rounded to 70. 9 is rounded to 10. So the approximate answer is 700. Okay. They didn't mention any specific rule that how to do this, or another way to do this could be just do 70 times 9, then I could just do 630. Okay, so there was no definite rule that they asked us to round this to, so you can round one of the number or both the numbers. In NAPLAN they generally tell you specifically that you round it to tens, hundreds or thousands. Now question 10. In this I counted the heads of 28 sheep. So heads of 28 sheep and 9 kangaroos. That means the head count was 28 and 9. We need to count the total of, so if I counted feet, my total would be, so you need the head total of the feet. That means how many legs are there or how many feet are there. Sheep, they have 4 legs each, and for kangaroo they have 2 legs and a tail. to know the head count for the feet or legs, it's 20. Sometimes they frame it as count the total number of legs, sometimes they frame it as count the total number of feet. So it's the same thing. So 28 times 4, and then you have to do 9 times 2 and add them. Okay, first you multiply. So 28 times 4, you can use your rough space to do this calculation. That will give you 112. 9 times 2 is 18, which is 130. Okay, so answer 10 is 130. Moving on to question 11. Write these times in 24-hour form. 7 a.m. is 7 only. Yeah, 7 and say 00 minutes. Midday has to be 12 noon. Then if it is 5 p.m., that means 12 noon plus 5 hours. Always do 12 plus number of hours if it is p.m. time. So that's 17 hours 0 minutes, and midnight is the start of the day, so that's 0 hours 0 minutes. Okay, in question 12, which container is the heaviest? Okay, a margarine tub filled with sand or a tub filled with sawdust. So if you look at it, the tub is the same tub, same size tub, but sand is generally more dense and heavier than sawdust. Sawdust is very light in weight, so it's basically option A. Then in question 13, 25.5 converting to mm. So centimeter to mm is simply times 10. So 25.5 times 10, we just move the point one place forward because we are just multiplying by 10, which is 1 0 there. 255. So 255 mm. Question 14 is the area question. Don't forget, in area we multiply, in perimeter we add. So it's 4 meters times 4 meters, which is 16 square meters. Each. Now moving on to question 15. You need to calculate the volume. Just count how many cubes are there. Volume is the amount of space occupied. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes. So that's the volume. Okay, 6, and each unit is a centimeter. So it's basically centimeter cube. This has 6 cubes, so we just do the superscript 3 to denote that we are talking about volume here. Volume is always measured in cubic units. Moving on to question 16. So mark 27 degrees Celsius. So you can just count. It's counting by 10. So somewhat here. So just shade it. Okay. That will be 27 degrees. You can draw and shade it. Question 17. These are the flat faces of a solid, and they're asking you if you can name this solid. In the next question, let me just okay. Now question 17. In this, what do you think? What can be the solid? You have two rectangles. So this is the top view, side elevation and end elevation. At the bottom view, I think it has to be a cylinder. You can take your glass and try looking at it from different views. You will get to know that it looks like this. Okay, then in question 18, the instrument used to measure angles. If you have a geometry box, you can check. It's a protractor, like this semicircle shape, and it has degrees in it. Get it? 0 degrees, then 10 degrees, like that, from left to right or right to left, both ways. 0, 10, 90 here, like that. Now question 19, draw in the lines of symmetry in this semicircle. I can only fold it along a vertical line going to its middle, which is the line of symmetry. Moving on to question 20, we need to plot these points. So 6 is the horizontal value, and then B. So here, this is 6B, 6 and B. Okay, then you have 3 and F, 3 and F. So the point of intersection is here, 3 and F. You can just write sideways. 2 and B, so 2 and B, it's here. 2 and B. You don't need to mark anything on the axis. You just need to mark the final point. So there are 3 points, okay? Name the shape formed. Alright, that means if we join these points, what shape do we get? So like this, I'm trying my best to draw a perfect shape. It's a triangle, okay? Then question 21, list the 3 children in descending order of their height. So Bill, Sue and Key, they are 3 kids, and you have height scale on the vertical axis, okay? So so descending means biggest to smallest, big to small. Who is, I think Sue is the tallest one, then Bill, then Key. Sue, 1, 2, 3. So then Bill, then Key. Question 22, the school uniform has 2 shirt, long sleeved and short sleeved, 2 pairs of pants, shorts and trousers. How many different ways can Ben wear them? So assume it's long sleeve shirt, and then short sleeve shirt. Then he has, say, shorts, I just label it as SH, and trousers for T. So he can do long sleeve with the shorts, long sleeve with the trousers, or he can do short sleeve shirt with the shorts, and he can do short sleeve shirt with the trousers. So he has 4 choices altogether. So how many different ways can Ben wear them? There are 4 ways. I hope this explanation helped. After doing these questions, make sure you double check your answers from the answer page. Do let me know if you still have any doubt. Have a good day. Thank you.